Now I'm going to show you how to draw the block and bubble letters D, E, and F. For D, start with your regular uppercase D, and here you can draw a capital D inside, or you could even draw this all the way around and then erase this inside D. But once you realize you really don't even need to do feet or erasing because it's just two capital D's. For the bubble, kind of same thing. You could do your capital D and then you could draw a bubble around it, or you could just do a bubble D like that. Kind of looks like an O, so I might need to try that one again. How about a D? And that way make sure you have rounded edges, but it still looks like a D. For the E, start with your regular E. This is where our feet come back in. Let's give it a foot, and a foot, and a foot. All you do, in, in, in. Now what are we missing? This little rectangle right here. So let's try that one again. It's a lot of lines. How about start with a capital L. Let's add another line here. And then let's add 2 feet. And then I'm going to go in. But you know what? I'm going to stop and leave a little bit of room. Like that. Then I'm going to go down and out. Like that. Okay, let's try it again. Here's our E. You can also, without doing the legs, or if you want to use the legs this way, go up, around, down, under, connect. And then all you have to do is a leg and connect. Okay, so eventually you want to get to where you can do it like this. Notice how I've left trying to leave the equal amount of spacing between each of those rectangles. All right, let's do a bubble E. Same thing, start with your capital E, and then we're going to go and do our bubble around it. Okay, kind of looks like a comb. All right, an F is very similar to an E. Capital F, we could give it a foot, up, around, close it off, okay? Or you could do it like this, where you do around it, and you're basically outlining it, and then you could erase the single F inside. But eventually you want to do this, so you don't have to do any erasing. Now for our bubble F, start with your, whoopsies, so sorry, making an E there. Do an F, then you draw your bubble around it and down. You could use this F and just start with some curved edges like that. I hope that helps. That's D, E, and F.